How strong are your legs? Welcome, guys. Another section and edition of today's workout. It's all about legs. Today is going to be very short and simple. Squat, pure squat with your legs. So I'm squatting under the rail. So let's see. Just pick up a weight, back on your neck, and squat the hell out of these legs. Make sure to go deep. Deep squats are the best. Gives you full form and great balance, I get it. Most people don't like doing legs, but legs are dreadful. Legs are very dreadful. Painful after doing it. But you have to do it because what? Your legs carries you. Don't skip leg day. They say that phrase for a reason. Don't skip leg day. Under the rain, walking legs. Under the sun, we walk legs. Under the cold, we also walk legs. No matter what, keep walking legs. The legs are the foundation of whatever you think you're building up here. Your legs, they carry you. Imagine building a house with a weak foundation. What happens? It collapses. It sinks. Without a good foundation, your structure, your beautiful structure, will drown, will sink. In that case, always walk leg. Always embrace leg. Leg day. Leg day. I love leg day. I don't used to love leg day, but I think now I love it. Leg is life. Walk those legs and see how the third leg becomes better. There's a lot and tons of benefit that comes to the leg. Leg day, lower body workout. Just squat the hell out with these legs. Squatting. Squatting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That was massive. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share. So you get to have a brother, subscribers and views. So this is your guy, Clay, Inemaker. I'm here to motivate you. Subscribe. See you until the next one. Bless you. And one more thing. There's always the saying that says, if you don't put in the work, you're not getting there. So why don't put in the work? Put in that work and see what goes on. Leg day. I think it's high time we start to promote leg day. Most guys, especially guys, run away from leg day. We build the chest, we build the arm, we build the shoulder, we won't build the back, but we neglect the most important of them all, which is what? Your legs. Your legs are your foundation. So if you don't walk leg, you're just like a building without good foundation. And what happens? They're going to collapse one day. You're going to collapse one day. So don't let that be your story as a bodybuilder or power lifter. Do something, help yourself, hit that weight, hit that leg, grow it, make it solid, and the rest will be added onto you. Keep watching Clay Nemeka video. Subscribe. Thank you.